YouTube? It's your girl Lex, and today we got
Mike and Samara, JC.
and we're going on a fucking walk. You feel me? It's a good day. It's nice outside. I'm taking the kids on a walk. You feel me? Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Let's get it. So we over here just looking how their picnic area look, and it's what y'all think? We have a picnic over here.
Yeah, it's
One day.
4 picnic tables.
Where?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, back
4.
here.
Yeah.
Let me see. Which one would I want to sit at?
This one.
It's over there. I say it right here in the middle. No.
Yeah.
Okay, we can keep walking. Okay, picnic. The mountain.
I mean, like the thing,
The waterfall.
the waterfall.
Mm-hmm. Period. Do y'all want to do a little jog or not?
No.
Go there. All right. We just gonna walk it out. We'll be back when we get to the waterfall. The what?
The waterfall.
Oh, okay.
It is.
It sound nice. Y'all hear it? You wanna jump in what? Go ahead. Jump. Jump in there. That actually look nice too, though. Don't get your shoes wet. Well, how I'm gonna tell you to jump if you can't get your shoes wet? Y'all ready to see this? I know y'all hear it.
We didn't go down this.
I was trying to get
we ever went down these ones?
the stairs.
Yeah, these ones.
Yeah,
Uh-uh.
we go down these every time.
We didn't go down on this side.
Yes, we do.
Down on that side.
We went down these stairs. Girl, you can look on the video.
Oh, we might have. That is so cute.
Y'all hear that? I'm about to go under there. I think. Go under the waterfall. That motherfucker is going. Be careful, don't fall now. What? You getting wet? I want to go to Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls. We're going to go one day, watch. Yeah.
That pushed the water stuff up.
My bad, yeah.
That hurts so like.
Woo! Woo! I'm talking about in it. Yeah. Bye, waterfall!
You gotta be careful because if you fall,
Please don't fall. We do not want that. I'm tired now. Oh, girl! Be careful. Walk slow. Don't go so fast. Ah. If you fall, bruh. If you want, I ain't. That was just for a thumbnail.
it's probably wet in there now.
Big wet.
Where? I'm talking about it.
It's big wet in there. That's how you know it's been raining, right?
Right here.
What? Oh, shit, my bad. We already got one.
I wonder if that Jesus statue still. Was it here?
I don't even remember where it was at. It wasn't there. It was somewhere up here. So beautiful.
It was right here, right? It's this one right here.
Oh. Hey. How you feeling?
Good.
It's a nice scene, ain't it?
Yeah.
You glad you witnessed it?
Mhm.
Hurry up. Coffee on.
Stuff over here looks different.
I know, because we ain't been here in a long time.
This stuff I just goes over every day.
No, I go to
You just here the other day?
Cloud Park. I've been walking at Cloud Park.
Oh.
I ain't been walking over here. I need to start back. And we made it off that track. Oh! Oh, all these stairs, man.
This time I want to walk all the way around.
I ain't walking that one. I'm tired. It's over. It's over.
Sit down.
Huh?
Sit down.
You tired? Go ahead. Sitting down are for losers.
Oh, we a loser. I need to sit on the bug.
Ah, that should just sound a bug. That's funny. Bug squasher. I'm talking Danny. All right, come on. Sit down, break over. Let's get it. Let's get it, Makane.
Oh, you can really walk down there somewhere.
Try it. You really can, though. But you have to go all the way back up just the other way. Don't do that. Come on. Here come some people. I don't want them to be like, did y'all hear that? It's a lot of water. I know. I didn't know that was right here, though. I don't remember seeing that.
I wonder if I put this thing down there so I go.
Huh?
So I put this thing down there.
I want to go down there.
I do too.
Go ahead. Hold on. Wait. Move. Get out the way. Scoot up. Scoot up. I ain't going to go down there, though.
I want to.
Because it says don't.
So y'all fall. Do not enter.
Don't really get kicked out.
It's a whole wave hole.
Huh?
They
Go
make
ahead.
that for a reason.
You can't whistle. You can't get in the water. I'm always doing something I ain't supposed to be doing.
I was standing on a rock.
Ooh. We almost touched that poison ivy.
What poison ivy? Poison ivy.
That was right there.
I don't know if poison ivy this one.
No, it's fine. Ah, my legs. Not y'all over there sitting. Sitting. Ooh, my legs hurt. Y'all want to swim in this water?
No.
Oh. You said what?
No.
No.
I'm cool.
We could.
Nah, you cool.
Why? Because it's so dirty?
Yeah.
It's making you sneeze.
I guess.
So relaxing. Period. I said period. Beautiful. Every time we find her, she's sitting down.
that this picture looks creepy.
It do though. Cause like, what is it? Like, come on now.
There's people.
But I think when you look, if you look at that closely though, you can see them.
What?
Look where they standing right there, and look over there. You see them. See 'em? Look at that picture and then look over there closely.
Did you notice?
They're right there.
Look.
What?
Look. Come here. There's a man in the background.
What the fuck? No, I didn't notice that.
He
That's
was getting
creepy.
spied on.
That's creepy. I guess now they trying to say we walking slow because they didn't left us. Like what? How that work? We supposed to stick together. We supposed to stick together.
I did not notice that man in the background when we first went here.
Me neither.
I just noticed
We say you smell good. Go ahead.
Yeah, so we're finishing off the trail.
Finishing out the trail. Which I rated?
I tell you, I like it. 10.
Period.
Because the water was actually come down this time. I
Yeah.
can feel the water.
You say you what?
I can feel the water.
Yeah. She's trying to go down the log. Log girl. Tarzana.
First came here.
It wasn't this one though.
Wait. Where did Isaiah fall off at?
He fell all the way down there.
Yeah.
On some weird. That shit was funny as fuck.
It was your fault. You kept laughing.
Come on. That shit was funny as fuck.
Was that tired when y'all walked down there?
Yeah.
We was way more tired than this. I'm not really tired. I'm hot though because I got the hoodie on, but I ain't tired.
Girl, what you doing?
Even though we sat down. I mean, we was walking ahead of them, obviously.